Hi there, if you're looking to make a substantial online income without having to leave the comfort of your own home, then you're on the right place at the right time. Making money online just got really easy. My name's Paul. I've been making a full-time living from the internet since 2001, so I know what I'm talking about here, and I'm going to give you just a few minutes here, just stay with me, and I'm going to show you an incredible system, no matter what your background or experience, where you can also start to make money online and instantly as well. Now, first of all, simple maths of daily views, a repeatable system for consistent results. The chances are you've arrived here because you saw a video on social media. Someone then invited you to take a look. You're here now, and this, we're going to break it down. It's the simple mathematics of social media videos. Now, there's a myth of influencer success that you need a professional studio, or you need to be on camera, or you need viral luck. Well, the reality is you can become a social media influencer using simple mechanics and logic. And we're going to give you proof of this as well. My mentor is JT, and his method is based on logic, not on luck. JT gets over 100,000 views on average per day on social media. And he's only been doing this for a couple of months. He learned the system, understood the logic, and went for it. And we're going to show you how you can do this yourself. Now, there's no professional editing required. You don't need to be on camera yourself. And JT himself, he just uses a camera on his phone, records a video, 90 seconds, uploads it, and it's as simple as that. What you can do is point your camera to your screen and use the exact same videos that JT uses, because you will have a slightly different perspective on it, so it's not a duplicate video as far as social media is concerned, so it's new content, and social media is crying out for new content, and that's what we're going to show you how you can do that as well. Now, on the back of that, if you've got 100,000 views every day to your videos, you're going to want something to promote, something to share with those people watching your videos. We're also going to remove all the complexity. So you don't need to have any camera presence, you don't need any technical skills, and you don't need any fancy script, but you do need to be consistent. So we're going to teach you how to be consistent, and that beats personality every time, to get the videos out there, get the views, and that's what it's going to be. Now, if you're getting thousands and thousands of views every hour, you want something on the back of that to promote and share with people who are viewing your videos. And you give some very simple instructions. We teach you how to do that as well. And you will direct them to a product that virtually everybody on this planet needs. Anyone who's got a mobile phone or a computer, they've got vast amounts of data. Mobile phones, you know, we all use them for taking pictures, for taking videos. We've got our computers where we store data. Perhaps we've got our CV, our files on there, all sorts of things. That all needs backing up, especially in today's world. So it's a massive, massive market. It's a $1 trillion global market for being able to back up and store your data safely on the cloud, not on a hard drive, not on a memory stick, on the cloud where it's safe, that you haven't got to worry about your computer breaking down, losing your phone, losing your memory stick, etc. People are losing their memories and files daily. This is a massive global market. If you have 1% of the people who view your videos actually buy your product, you can make a fortune. So we are solving a real global problem here, and with a universal solution as well. So we're providing essential cloud backup and data protection. This product works in every country on the planet, and it's exceptional value for money and knocks the spots off the competition. In other words, it's really good value, a great product. Now, when a customer comes and buys backup, it's not a one-time purchase. They're subscribing to it, so either paying monthly or paying annually. And so customers also stay. It's what's called a sticky product. Customers stay because once they start backing up their data, it becomes second nature. It's all done automatically in the background, but they feel secure. They're paying for this. It's almost like a digital insurance where they're getting their data backed up automatically. Why would they stop paying for that service? So this gives long-term stability for you as well. So here's the income logic. You get instant cash commissions today. So as soon as you've watched this video, you can go and sign up, become a reseller, and start referring people back to this website, and you can start literally earning instant cash commissions. So within the next 15 minutes, you could have your first commission in your bank account. This also gives a residual income. Remember, these customers are paying month after month after month, and that means you get a share of the revenue for the lifetime of those customers. Now, I personally have experienced that, and it's very difficult if you've never experienced it to really grasp hold of the power of that. But let me give you my own personal illustration. In 2001, I started promoting a mobile phone company, and it was on the basis that I get a share of the revenue from those bills for those mobile phone customers. Well, 25 years on, I'm still getting paid on a good proportion of those customers that I introduced 25 years ago, because once you've got your service, you tend to stick with it. And so this can give you a really solid, reliable, long-term underlying income, as well as those instant commissions as well. Now, everything is done for you here. You don't need any experience. You don't need any previous experience. There's no inventory to manage. You're not having to chase up with customers and bill them. There's no customer support to handle. That's all done by the company, and the company manages the fulfillment as well. It's a digital product. It's online, so there's no physical delay for the product. Again, a perfect product to be promoting online is a product that's already online, and a subscription-based product, which means you get that ongoing residual income. Now, this has completely reversed the risk. Rather than you going out there and saying, I want to work in a job, or I want to own a franchise. Let's give you that example. Maybe you wanted to buy a Subway franchise. It would cost you $150,000 to get a Subway franchise, and all you've done is bought yourself a job. You've then got to pay that back. You're giving a share of your profits. You've got staff to manage. You've got property to manage. The headaches, it's an absolute nightmare. With this, you get the product for yourself and become a reseller, all for less than $10 a month. So the risk is virtually non-existent. And it's available globally, as I've said, so you can have customers from around the world, and there's no high ticket pressure sales. There's no selling pressure here at all. It's seeing the product, seeing the great value in the product, understanding the size and the potential of that market, and then learning the marketing methods that we teach you for social media to get tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views every day to your videos, and that will drive huge demand for your product through that. Now, we've got instant automation here. Your sales funnel is already built. What you're seeing right now is one of the sales funnels that we use, and you can use this sales funnel. There's no extra charge for this. It's all built to gain you success. There's no tech setup. There's no coding you need to do. You don't need to set up a website, a domain name, anything like that. It's live to you from the moment you join. So you get full duplication. So all you need to do with your link, which is gbupays.com/reels/ and then your unique username. So when you sign up to become a reseller and sign up for the product, you choose a username. And so all you'll do is direct people back to this website, this video you're watching right now at gbupays.com/reels/ your username. That's all you need to do. There's nothing to set up. It's just choosing that username and putting that on the URL and giving that to people. And you do that through your videos as well on social media. It's got all automatic tracking, automatic conversion. There's nothing else for you to do. So we've got step-by-step video replication. We've got focus on a simple method so that anyone can do this. There's no hype, just some very simple instructions to follow. It really is totally beginner friendly. So does this make sense to you? In summary, we've got an essential product that millions, if not billions of people need at a really attractive price point, less than $10 a month. We've got massively high retention in this product. We've got huge conversion rates. Around 25% of people who come and look at this product actually buy it. And that's due to the automated systems, and there's no fear. We're going to teach you the video marketing method. There's no fear. Again, you don't have to put your face on camera. You just have to use your phone, record the screen that you see from JT, his videos, and maybe do a little narration on those, or just literally record the sound that he's putting on those as well. and that will create for you unique videos which you then just upload on social media following the strategy and the plan which we outlined for you. Now, we don't charge for that training. That's all built in completely free. So next step, first of all, reminder, you join, you get the full product and the chance to be a reseller for less than $10 a month. It's $119 per year, which is the best value way of doing it, to pay annually, but you can pay monthly if you want at just $10 a month plus a $20 a year annual reseller fee. So $30 in your first month, $10 every month thereafter, or one-off annually $119. So that's less than $10 a month. So you can then start referring to your pre-built funnel. As we've just shown you, we've got instructions on the inside as well, which will show you that again as a reminder, but you can instantly do that. This website is instantly set up to allow you to use this sales funnel to help you generate instant cash sales. So you just follow the simple training and multiply your results. Build it up over time, start to give yourself a good solid residual income and build those instant cash commissions as well. So it's as simple as that. Now, there's a button below this video. You click on that button, you can put in your name and email address, then confirm your email address. That will then direct you to another sales funnel. This is from the official company sales funnel, which is all built in there for you. There's actually 6 or 7 different existing sales funnels all ready for you, so you can pick and choose which ones you want. So when you put your name and email address in from this website here, you'll then go to another website where you can again pop in your name and email address. That will get you into the official company sales funnel. When you follow through that process, and I want you to go through that so you can see how that works as well, then you'll get to join what's called Got Backup. You put in your username, you'll choose your username, and as soon as you've got your username, you can come back here and refer people to gbupays.com/reels/your username. It really is as simple as that. So next step for you is to put in your name and email address and go and look at the company sales funnel, follow through that process, see how that all works, and then sign up for Got Backup, start backing up your data and start instantly referring people straight back here to watch this video, which will do all the process for you and make sales for you and potentially get your first commission within 15 minutes from now. Thanks for watching. Click that button, take your tour through the next sales funnel.